3 books.
Yeah, 3 books. Ever since my phone died a month ago, the whole month I finished 3 books. And I just dropped them off of the new book exchange program thing in the university. So, yeah, after all the phone dying on me, it's actually have some advantages of me going back and start reading again. Anyway, we're having potluck. So the Pisa are performing tonight around 6:30 for the International Student Association Fellowship Night or something. So after the potluck thing, they were practicing and I went home, and now it's around 5:30. So they're gonna be performing only one song. So I'm gonna go and watch them and then head home again. Anyway, yeah, busy weekend. It is December now. It's my month of reflection. A lot have been going through my life lately. So personally, so I'm not gonna share it on the internet. Last year I said that this year would be my year of traveling. Unfortunately, that didn't happen. So all due to my visa. My visa is still in progress. I'm trying to fix it. I know it's been a year, and I hope and pray that probably this month or next month I'm gonna fix it. That leads to my cancellation of trip. I actually planned like 2 trips to Malaysia and got canceled. I like paid for everything, tickets and hotels and everything canceled. It's a waste of money. So yeah, that's all the hold up also. And I'm also like, I still have like 1 year to go. I know it's getting old now, but every time I want to go home or just give up and go, my friends, I keep telling me like, bruh, it's 1 year, just finish it. So I'm hoping and praying that everything will be complete and I just focus on 1 year and finish my studies and probably go somewhere nice, maybe somewhere cold. But weirdly, my social anxiety have crept in. I had social anxiety when I was a kid, growing up, but it kind of grows out of me. And weirdly, the past 2-3 months, that social anxiety starts to creep in again. So yeah, people who don't know social anxiety is just the feeling uncomfortable being around people or just large crowd. Yeah, so yeah, that creeps in. So I hope it's just a phase that it will come and go. So yeah, but all in all, I'm really grateful that all these things happening in my life, I'm still like doing vlog and uploading on a weekly basis, and that's like something that I'm really proud of. Like just reflecting on it, I was sitting down and just reflecting it like, hey, all this stuff happening in my life, right? Really like gutsy stuff that punches me in the stomach, in the guts, but I still managed to put out vlog every week, which is a good thing for me. So yeah, so speaking of that, I want to say thank you for everyone, you and everyone else that watch my vlog week in, week out. Thank you. I'm really appreciate it. Anyway, special thank you to Timothy. I use his house to vlog. Like this year, I think I vlog 50% of my vlog in his place, in his house. He allowed me to do all this stuff. So all this house is not mine. It's Timothy's house. So I want to thank him for that. Also allow me to use his Wi-Fi. I've been shooting with the action camera, and one vlog is around 8 to 12 gig, and I'm using like normal data plan to upload it, and it takes like 3-4 gig of data just to upload them. Now I'm using his internet, so he allowed me to use it. So I want to say thank you for that. So yeah, anyway, I feel like I'm speaking gibberish. Thank you all again, and Merry Christmas. Celebrate responsibly, yeah, and a very prosperous new year to all of us. Maybe next year will be a good year for everyone, and you and me and everyone on this planet. So thank you, and Merry Christmas again. See you on the next one.